everyone, so today we're going to talk about finding the greatest common factor of numbers. We're going to use our prime factors we've been talking about. We're going to start with a pair of numbers. We have 36 and 48. And the first step to finding the greatest common factor is to just find those prime factors. So we're going to start with the number 36, and we're going to use either the tree method or the step method to go ahead and find those prime factors. So let's use the tree method. So we need two numbers that multiply together to make 36. So I know that 6 times 6 is 36. 6 is not prime, so I'm going to go ahead and continue down with the branches. I'm going to ask myself, what makes 6? So 2 times 3 is 6. Is 2 prime? Yes, it is. So I'm going to circle it. And is 3 prime? Yes, it is. Same thing on the other 6 here. Luckily, it's a 6 as well, so I know that 2 times 3 will work. They are both prime numbers, so I'm going to go ahead and give those a circle. And that leaves us with the 4 prime number factors of 36. So we have 2 2s and 2 3s. All right. We're going to do that same thing for 48. You could go ahead and use the ladder method or step method or the tree. Let's just go ahead and use the tree to keep it consistent today. So what two numbers, when you multiply them together, makes 48? Let's go with 4 times 12. Remember, you can use any of those multiplications that make 48. It doesn't matter. You'll get the same prime factors at the end. So I'm going to ask myself, is 4 prime? No, it's not. What makes 4? 2 times 2. Is 2 prime? Yes, it is. Is 2 prime? Yes. So that side of the tree is done. Now I'm going to go over here to the branch with the 12 on it. 12 is not a prime number, so I'm going to go ahead and put the branches down there. What two numbers multiply together to make 12? Well, 2 times 6 makes 12. 2 is prime, but 6 is not. So I'm going to go ahead and draw some more down there. And what makes 6? We have 2 times 3. 2 is prime, and so is 3. So we've completed all the little branches of our tree. So we have, let's see here, we have 1, 2, 3, 4 2s and a 3. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4 2s and a 3. And those are a multiplication between each one of those. All right. So now that we have our prime factors of our numbers, we're going to go ahead and find the ones that are the same. So I can say I have a 2 over here and a 2 over there. So that is the same. Okay. I have a 2 on this one and a 2 on this one. So that's another one that's the same. I have a 3 over here and I have a 3 over here. So that's the same. And then on this side, I still have 1 3 left over. But because there's no more 3s here, I can't include that one. And on the 48, I still have some 2s, but we've used all the 2s over here, so I can't use that one either. The only thing that we have that's the same is a 2, and a 3. So I'm going to go ahead and multiply those together. So 2 times 2 is 4, and 4 times 3 is 12. So that means the greatest common factor of 36 and 48 is 12.